everybody, Cyndi here with Grome Sewing Machine Company in San Antonio, Texas. We hope that today's video finds everybody safe and healthy. We did have to shut down, and but I kept coming into work, and I got a lot of phone calls during the shutdown period, and most of the phone calls were, I'm having trouble with my machine, and it looks perfectly fine on top, but the bottom side, I have a whole bunch of knots underneath, or it's all tangled up. I don't know what to do. So we thought, let's do this quick fix video and show you how to fix it. Follow me over to the sewing machine. So the loose stitches that you saw is caused by an upper tension problem. And if you look over here on my sewing machine, and not all machines can you see your tension. Some are hidden inside here, some are round dials over here, the older models, and some are completely electronic and you can't get to them. But on this particular model, I can look right here and I can see that my thread is laying on the outside of my tension, and that is what caused my loose stitches on the underneath side. More times than not, the top is going to look really pretty and then the bottom is going to be ugly. So the first thing you want to do to fix that problem is you're going to raise your presser foot, and you are going to take your thread, clip it, right, pull it out from your needle area. Our foot is still raised. Grab your thread and re-thread your machine. Now, making sure that you're threading it with your presser foot in the up position. Now, as you come down to your last little thread guide, at this point, you should be able to pull your thread freely. Lower your presser foot, right, and thread your needle. Once you get your thread through the needle, right, give your thread a little tug. It should be nice and tight. If your foot's up, it should pull freely, right? So down, nice and tight. When it's tight, then you know for sure that your thread has entered the tension unit, and your foot's down, your tension unit's closed, and now you've got tension. So we're going to run this little stitch here real quick. Well, we hope that you enjoyed this quick fix tutorial, and this will help you somehow. So the next time you see little knotty mess on the underneath side of your fabric, you will know what to do. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on that little bell so that the next time there's a quick fix video, you will be notified. Thank you for watching.